This application is called PockeTwit. It was written by Jake Stevenson and it's a free open source application. There are several applications I've used for Twitter on my Windows mobile device, but this one seems to have the most potential. On this screen you can see that it shows the timeline of people that I'm following, including my most recent post that I made. Now, using your directional pad or swiping on the screen, you can get to a menu that's on the left as well as on the right. On the left here we have a friend's timeline, messages, be able to post and update. And different than other applications, it's a little more robust. If you've got your GPS on, then you can update your GPS, so if you were out and about, it would be able to show other people that you're sharing your location with. And you see the tabs that you can actually have. You can add a URL, you can add a picture, or you can actually just take a picture from your camera and actually post that as well, which is kind of interesting. And I'll cancel out of that for right now and show some of the other menu items. Go back over here. You can also search. This is a pretty nifty feature where it allows for you to be able to search within a certain distance. You can indicate a mile, 15, 100 miles, and make it within your GPS location, or even just search within a distance of somebody else who's one of your Twitter contacts. And then you can map them. Now in this case, since I'm just still on my normal timeline, I'll show you map these, and it's going to map those who are currently in my timeline and pull it up on Google Maps. Takes a moment. But there we go. And there are locations of people, and if I scroll on over, I think I even got somebody that shows up over on the West Coast. Or maybe not. But you can see the people that are, that's those folks. I'll go over to the right hand side, and then you can see that depending on who you've got selected, so if I go on down, say to Clinton Fitch, and I go over to the right, then I could reply to, quote, make him a favorite, look at his whole timeline, look at his profile page, or stop following. Now if it happened to be somebody that you had found by doing a search, then this is where you could follow them as well. And then you can just minimize the application so it's just running in the background. But again, pretty neat interface that he's got going on. It is a free application, so by all means, if you try it out and you want to donate, you can go to his About and go to his web page and make a small donation. PockeTwit.